Welcome to our channel. Today our sketch is of a pumpkin. Take out your black marker. Draw a long oval. Second circular arc. Third circular arc. The stem above. Completing the rear pumpkin outline. Starting to draw the leaves. Now let's add a cute expression. Eyes. Laughing mouth. Blush. The simple pattern is finished. Let's start bolding the edges. Done, great. Now let's get some color. Yellow. Red. Flesh. Light yellow. Orange. Bright yellow. Orange. Bright yellow. Light yellow. Brown. Light brown. Green. Olive yellow. Our work is done. It's great. Thanks for watching. See you next time.